Good morning, fellas. I am on the way to pick up my boat. This is the mid-season cleaning, because when you leave the boat in the water, especially in brackish water in Baltimore area, yes, a whole lot of barnacles and slime accumulates on the boat. So it's recommended, like, after a couple of months, take it out and power wash it, clean it, and then put it back in the water. So that's what we're going to do today. We are on our way to go pick up the boat. I don't know if you guys can see, but let me show you. I have the trailer in the back. We're gonna go pick up our boat, so stay with me. All right, fellas, I've parked my trailer here. Now we're gonna walk. We're gonna walk the Hanover Bridge. This is a 15-minute walk, and then we bring the boat. That's the bridge we're gonna cross. Once we cross the bridge, we are at the marina, and then we're gonna drive the boat or ride the boat to the ramp. And we're gonna do vice versa when we're gonna bring it back and launch. So here we are getting off the bridge, and now we're gonna walk to the boat. I'm gonna walk through the parking lot of Nick's Fish House to get to the boat ramp. I'm sorry, to the marina. This is the crab shack of the Nick's Fish House. They have nice live music and stuff here, though. So we are heading out to the to the boat ramp. So the boat is docked. Now we're gonna go get the trailer. So fellas, that was one person retrieval. The boat is out. And now we're gonna head out. I'm now gonna put the truck in 4x4. I'm gonna take it out with 4x2 power. Thank you. Now the safety checks. Safety chain is on, tight. Straps in the back. You got to make sure you always have straps. Both sides, the straps are on, antenna is down, so we are safe to maneuver. So I made it home and parked the boat outside my house and start scraping those barnacles. If you see, that's a real mess, but a little bit of patience and a little bit of work makes the job done. For more stubborn barnacles, I use the red nozzle, which is more powerful. If you come across and the barnacles are not coming off, use the next strongest nozzle. So this product is on and off. It cleans the watermarks. For heavy marks, leave the product on and then come back to it. For instance, like here, soak it good and come back to it a little bit later. So going back, the boat is clean, the bottom is clean, just did a touch up of the bottom pane and gonna put in the slip. So guys, if you like this video, click on like, share, subscribe and become part of the small YouTube channel. Thank you so much.